and the wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. I wanted to give you an update on the termination of my Forex.com account. This is the response that I've received from them. You can pause the video and read it, but pretty much they said they don't really know the reason why. Um, but in the customer agreement, it does say that they can close the account at any point, which they say that in all of those agreements, but you just don't think that, hey, one day they're going to say, hey, we're closing your account. And it's like, okay, why? I'm thinking after 14 years, I would like an explanation. But it tells me that if I feel that this was done in error, I can reapply. But typically, they're going to deny me. I've come to peace with this. I feel like if God allowed this, then it's okay. And it's going to be okay. Now, it all started with this email in December. I think this is what it is. So they wanted me to update my account information, and they've been sending me emails. I've answered this about 8 times now about my net worth, and I'll show you that email in a minute. But it says that if I don't update that information, which I did repeatedly, we will consider this as confirmation that the information on file is accurate and complete, which I'm thinking it was. Like I said, I've answered this about 8 times. I even called in about the 6th time to say, hey, I've answered this thing for you guys repeatedly. And the customer service advisor said to me, she said, oh, I see it. I'm going to pass it on to the relevant department. You're going to be fine. The last email, I just pretty much told them, I don't know what you guys want, because obviously you don't believe what I say my net worth is or my annual income. I don't know if they think that I think my net worth is too high or whether I think it's too low, because they didn't confirm it one way or the other. I have since gone to TD Ameritrade, and I will be honest, it's a little bit scary for me. I'm intimidated by the Think or Swim platform. I am going to paper trade on that to make sure I can be consistently profitable. Honestly, my fear is that I feel like I'm going to miss out on some pips, or I'm going to get in trades too late because I have to confirm it and blah, blah, blah. With the metaphor, it was a one-click kind of thing. So I clicked, I was in the trade. I clicked, I was out of the trade. And the Thinkorswim platform, it seems to be so many steps to do what I did so very easily on the metaphor. And I don't know, it just feels like a big girl platform. And it's something that I'm really having to invest time to learn. But I did want to give you guys an update. And this is what I got from Forex.com. I do have to say before I end this video, I am so grateful for all of the support and all of the love that I have received from people in this situation. I I didn't know this could happen to people, but I'm making this video to warn you and let you know that it is a possibility. Um, I'm now starting to think that maybe I need to make a withdrawal daily. And with the TD Ameritrade, you can withdraw $250,000 per day. Um, and when the market closes, I want to be out of the market. No more of this attempt at long-term investment or longer-term trading or holding positions, trying to let them ride out. None of that stuff. Um, because if people can just take my account like this with no explanation, especially after 14 years, I'm thinking I don't want to leave my money in the hands of anybody else like that. So I'm going to start taking withdrawals more frequently and not holding anything overnight. I'll trade overnight, but not to hold past the market day. I do want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Enjoy an amazing, wonderful, pip filled, wealthy, full of love, abundant life.